द पब्लिक सोसाइटी, पब्लिक वो भी जो भी होगा, तो वेलफेयर के लिए यू आर द पार्ट ऑफ द सेशन, एंड अनलेस यू टेक पार्ट, विपिन चंद कैन अलोन बी नो यूज, समझे ना। वेलफेयर के लिए तुम सब ने अपना डाउट लिख कर रखो, दे दो एक, और अभी तक अपना एक्सपीरियंस किसी ने शेयर नहीं किया, इसका मतलब किसी को कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, राइट। अब उनमें बड़ा फंक्शन करना है कि नहीं करना, बहुत दिन हो गए ना। वुड यू लाइक टू हैव अ बिग सेमिनार लाइक अर्लियर 2010, 2009, ऐसा बिग है क्या इंटरेस्ट? तो फिर तुम अपने खाली खाने पीने के लिए तो इकट्ठे नहीं हो सकते, तो वील हैव टू डू समथिंग, एंड व्हाट इज दैट समथिंग? रिलीज वन बुक। और बुक रिलीज करना लोगों के लिए बहुत मुश्किल और अपने लिए बहुत इजी है। यू जस्ट शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड उसमें अपने नोट डालेंगे, एंड दैट बिकम्स अ बुक। एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने में क्या करना है, एक ही मेल एक बार, जैसे योर ट्रीटमेंट 1 पेज 2 पेज ट्रीटमेंट, फिर आप इस मेल आईडी में एक हार्मोनी, फिर योर एक्सपीरियंस, फिर डायग्नाइज, फिर सोशल, फिर बिजनेस, एवरी टाइम एक एक सब्जेक्ट का एक पेज या 2 पेज जो भी होगा। तो अपने जो बुक बनाएंगे एक आदमी का ऐसा नहीं बनेगा। व्हाट जीरो थेरेपी इज, हाउ डज इट कैसे कैसे फायदा हुए, तो एक एक सेक्शन रहेगा, हार्मोनी, डायग्नाइज, ट्रीटमेंट, माइंड, बॉडी, ऐसा एक एक रहेगा। उसके अंदर ईच पर्सन का एक्सपीरियंस जो भी होगा उसमें जाएगा, और उसके बाद में एवरी उसके आगे अपना मेरा रहेगा कि ये सब का देखकर एक पूरा। और दूसरे बहुत है, क्योंकि अपने को करना है तो जनरली दिसंबर जनवरी, और बुक छापने के लिए 2 महीना अपने को होना। अभी हाई टाइम यू जस्ट शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस इन व्हाटएवर फॉर्म यू वांट। हिंदी में लिखो, स्कैन करके भेज दो, बहुत इजी है। इंग्लिश का छोड़ दो, हिंदी में लिखो, स्कैन करके भेज दो बस, एज इट इज रीप्रिंटेड। लेकिन ईमेल आईडी बहुत जरूरी है, ऊपर अपना खुद का, या मेरे को दो, या जो भी हो, स्कैन भी करना तो ईमेल आईडी, तो ऐसे कैसे प्रिंट होगा, नहीं तो वापस अपने को डालना पड़ेगा। स्कैन करके डाल दिया ऊपर, अब इस फाइल में जो भी होगा मेरे को नहीं मालूम सिस्टम, बट वी नीड पक्का, मतलब कि कोई ये नहीं समझे, और अगर साइन हो सकता है सिग्नेचर, ऑल द मोर बेटर। स्कैन करो तो सिग्नेचर भी हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है क्या? स्कैन कर तो हो ही सकता है ना। सो अगर तुम चाहते हो वेलफेयर ऑफ द सोसाइटी, वेलफेयर ऑफ आवर सेल्फ, एंड एंटरटेनमेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए सेमिनार, वो भी एक एंटरटेनमेंट, अपना एनर्जी लेवल है ना। सी वी गेट एनर्जी एंड वी गिव एनर्जी, तो उसके लिए बहुत जरूरी, बहुत दिन हो गया अपने को, तो यू हैव टू डू फॉर वेलनेस, वेलफेयर। और अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो फिर फेयरवेल करना पड़ेगा अपने को, सबको बोलेंगे टाटा, नो मोर जीरो थेरेपी, नो मोर सेशन, नो मोर मंडे, नो मोर वेलफेयर के बाद फेयरवेल हो जाएगा। अभी कुछ ये तेरा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करता ना, इसमें क्या लिखा, थोड़ा वेलनेस का पढ़ा ना तूने भी आज हिंदू में, कुछ क्या लिखा बोल तो देना रे भैया, पढ़ा हुआ ना। मैं तो कभी किसी का कॉपी पढ़ नहीं सकता, हिंदू पेपर किसी ने पढ़ा है? ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत पढ़, भंडारी आएगा, देख क्या लिखा है वेलनेस में। अभी अपने को लिखना चाहिए यार। आई थिंक इट्स हाई टाइम वी स्टार्ट राइटिंग टू ऑल दिस ना। कहीं भी अप्रॉक्सीमेट पढ़ लेना है कुछ भी,
It is when we move behind the external body, it is the subtle spiritual levels that we discover that we are all the same. I read the hilarious article on the internet this morning. It was about a yoga student who opened a studio, an official franchise of popular style of yoga. He argued in the case of owner of the franchises about the carpet. Yes, the carpet, he thought that the carpet was discussing the attract colorness and germs. The guru insisted on the conformity in its yoga empire with regard to technical method, sequence of asana and carpets. The story ended with the resourceful man leaving the franchisee and starting his very own style of yoga. This story is just one example of how the modern world has become observed with the external aspect of the yoga. I have come across the article questioning the ethics of all company that makes yoga pants for only thin peoples. An article will describe how yoga can break the body. Fights between under the kneecap yogis who focus on anatomy. The dancer yogis who flow from the asanas to the next, each claiming that there is only authentic yoga. I have encountered the countless styles of yoga and I might want to try some like asanas, Jiva Kundalini and acro yoga, anti-gravity yoga, laughter yoga or naked yoga might work for some but not for me. Things like tantram yoga, doga, hip hop yoga or yoga of foodies just make me want to laugh. The fact remains that as we focus slowly on the external aspect of the yoga, we will continue to have this argument about what is in the authentic yoga and what is not, and we will continue to worry about how our butts looks in those branded yoga pants.
एक्चुअली इसने बताया, मेरे को नहीं मालूम था. इसका ऑथर कौन है मालूम है? रानी जयराज, मिस इंडिया, करेक्ट? एक्स मिस इंडिया. मिस इंडिया में अभी तो नहीं रहेगी. प्रॉब्ली अपने जो बोलते हैं ना वो सब उसके बाद में बोलते हैं. अपने स्पिरिचुअल फूड पेज नंबर 88 क्या लिखा है? मोस्ट मिसअंडरस्टूड सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज योगा. अपना स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है. अब इनको मालूम पड़ा देगा ना कि योगा में ये अपने बोले हुए कि एक्सरसाइज ये वो कुछ नहीं होता है योगा में. और सब लीडिंग गुरु बोला मालूम है, मतलब नाम नहीं लिख सकते करके. योगा डज नॉट मीन, अपने शुरू से बोला हुआ है कि मस्कुलर एक्सरसाइज डजंट कम अंडर योगा, दैट इज आवर दिस थिंग. और अब ये बोलता है, अभी इतना नहीं मालूम पड़ा इस लेडी को. इतना मालूम पड़ेगा कि योगा जो भी है प्रेजेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट. प्रेजेंट योगा जो भी है इज नॉट करेक्ट, इतना तक मालूम पड़ गया. आपने रायपुर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोला है, रायपुर कौन है मेरे साथ? भी योगा इज नॉट सुटेबल फॉर एवरीबडी बिकॉज एवरीबडीज बॉडी इज डिफरेंट. सो एंड योगा का मीनिंग पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. रियल स्पीकिंग योगा मीन्स बॉडी माइंड सोल का सिंक्रोनाइजेशन, and body is nothing to do with it. The mind and the soul, these two play a role for running the body, that is yoga. Body has no role at all. That is actual yoga means itna control, itna detachment from the world, then only you can have real yoga. Present day yoga is muscular exercise, right? And muscular exercise means tiring the muscles. Tiring the muscles means, one research says, releasing a toxic acid in the body. And then again how to remove that toxic? Again do fasting or do something. Why all that? First get into problem, then try to put water on the fire. तो अपने कितना, we have been telling, now people start telling individually, thousands of people individually telling, zero therapy collectively telling all those points which they have been telling. Got it? in one platform we have been telling all the subjects, single person, which the whole world, different pocket, different places, different things they have been telling, and still there is no value for this. That's why we must have a farewell. There is no value for this subject at all. Neither opposite man tries to understand, nor the government wants to understand. At least present government could have done something. They are not even interested. It's such a big subject for the world. It can become intellectual property rights of the country, not Vipin Chen. This is a subject first time given to the world, and it can become the property of country, India. And they are not interested. We have made them known, we have sent them all the letters. We cannot go and tell them I am doing like this. We can only inform them this is happening like this in the country. You want to leave it or take it, it's up to you. Still, ours is a very big group. Probably collectively, if you just think, we don't have to do any work now. Just think powerfully that this science has to spread. That's it. You have to do nothing. Honestly, try to think collectively. The whole energy will go to the universe and it may go somewhere and land somewhere. We are not interested in our country for this sake. Try to all the time think. Before thinking, you send the mail to us, share your views on different subjects. Even if you heard somewhere in our office or here, you share those views. Need not be your experience. Whatever you have seen with your eyes, share. That may probably open the eyes of the world other than India. This subject can be taken mostly accepted by maybe Japanese, maybe Sri Lankan. These two countries are very religiously close to our theory. They may accept. If it goes, probably they will accept. Wherever you find alternative medicine university, they can make one department for our theory. Even though ours is ultimate, but we have no choice, we have to get into like alternative only. Once you get, then they will know, no, this is ultimate, not alternative. Try to some other spread this science for the benefit of humanity, for the benefit of the world. For that, all of you are the actors. Without you, nothing can be done. Vipin Chen alone can do nothing. You will have to involve yourself. Whatever, just share, write, and then give the paper. If you have got any doubt, give the paper. Slip to me, here or in office, or to anybody who is urotherapy. At least you need not be here. You can listen through the site also. Once you have a doubt, you don't have time to come here, okay, fine. You can always relax and with your family people, you can watch this. Maybe more interesting. Whatever we have been doing, you take any subject here. Now we are going to talk on disease also in the site, so that people can open their eyes. For that I need your experience on your health. When we say health, we never mean physical health, because urotherapy is not for physical health at all. Mind and the body, mind and the soul. Body is taken care of by these two softwares, taking care of the hardware in form of body. This is what our basic science is. Mind. Mind is very complicated thing. Mind, nobody can understand mind. Even my mind, I cannot understand my own mind. Mind is so much complicated. Mind is like monkey. He doesn't know which branch he is going to jump. After jumping, he will know. So our mind becomes so much alert in gyrotherapy, you don't have to even know what you have to do. It gets done automatically. So much powerful mind. So much, just cannot imagine. We have been just buying, now, example, we have been buying coral, right? And because we have been buying, many people started buying coral. Somehow other, intuition, I am not using that for my food. Without knowledge. And deep, till morning I did not know, right? Now I know they are using one food grade enameled pigment. So, anyhow, this is not natural, right? Without our knowledge, I was not using it. Buying it for giving to somebody as a compliment, but not using it. I did not know, right? Everybody thinks it's a porcelain. Clearly written 3 layers of glass. But I was thinking, right? But then now I got enameled food grade pigment is used. Maybe it's not acceptable to our mind. So how the mind works, I'm telling you how mind, without knowing, the mind in gyrotherapy works, and it is able to read the right and the wrong without your analyzing, without your reading, without any logic. And there is no logic in your being right or wrong also. It just comes. It just comes without knowing. So much alert the gyrotherapy people become because their mind is working without your knowledge. The raw material for the mind is excellent for gyrotherapy people because we don't have any useless item in our food. Subconsciously, a gyrotherapy child will not eat what is not acceptable on that day, on that temperature, by the look, by the color. The child is able to know this is not correct. Something unbelievable. Nobody will believe you, but this is a fact. Unbelievable yet true. So whenever you talk to somebody, you must always say there is no point in talking, it is unbelievable, you are not going to listen, yet it is true. It is all, the whole world is mind and mind and mind. All this violence in the world taking place, Israel or whatever. Is any logic? Only the mind does all that thing. Peace or violence, everything is in the mind. If everyone becomes like us, everyone eats a food what is prescribed by gyrotherapy, whole world will be peaceful, there is no doubt at all. There is no doubt. India is still a peaceful country, in spite of all these minus points, because it's the food of the country is still better than the other country. And most of the people food is sattvic. Though not, they can't compare with gyrotherapy. Sattvic food is second grade to gyrotherapy food. So if everyone becomes like this, the mind, the peace, unimaginable. For human welfare, we have to spread this subject, maybe any name, maybe anything, we are not bothered. We are born in this world to benefit the next door, the benefit the third door, benefit the neighbor, then benefit the country, then next international, send it. Our duty is to spread the truth. And again we say truth cannot be updated. Most of the time the truth is being updated by so many samyas and so many sadhus and so many monks. But let me tell you, truth cannot be updated. Even though you try to update, the people who are going to listen to you will be update in dress, they only will listen to you. The real people are not going to listen. I was told one book is being written by some, what you call, you can't call it a saint, you can't call it a monk, on recipe, right? Some Jain, we can't call saint also. We have to say only sadhu. There is no word equivalent. We'll come to Prerak, right? The book is written as a recipe, right? And the Prerak means the thoughts behind it, right? Is of a Jain sadhu. Recipes. Recipe means worldly affair. Means reminding you about the tongue and taste. Recipe means what? The moment you say, recipe, what happens to your mind? Immediately recipe means what happens? मुंह में पानी आ जाता है खाने के बिना, by the name itself. So if Jain sadhu is trying to, it's very, very bad for the religion. It's really very bad. Means trying to update the truth, but it is not possible. Ultimately, there is a difference between saint, sadhu, and the monk. See, in Buddhist you have monk, and even Jain they are called as a monk. Monk means was totally disconnected from the worldly affair. Is a monk. I never seen a Buddhist sadhu giving a lecture. I was just thinking, we go to Buddhist ashram, all that, we never see anybody going chit-chatting, they do their duty and just must pass. There is no such thing as interaction between those. I don't know how they spend their time. They are real. Duty of a monk is for self-purification. Monk means left the world for self-purification, right? Saint means even Shravak can be saintly. If he is following, he can also be saint ke saman hai bhai. Saman hai. Still may be connected. And same thing, sadhu means no connection whatsoever, by action, by thought, by kriya, no connection. Why we are telling? Because people are trying to update the truth, like not to be taken, curd not to be taken, right? Garam karke le lo, hot. These are trying to update. When you don't have to take, don't have to take. Then you can't be saying, go to this street and that street and via. See, these are people, whole world is trying to update, whole world. Truth should not be tried to update, and it cannot be, because truth is always, truth means only one. cannot be substitute for truth. Curd not to be taken, finish. Then there are going to be substitute. No alcohol. No means no. Then you can't say, okay. Why we are telling no perfume? Why zero therapy is telling atra is allowed? Atra is allowed, but perfume is not allowed. Invariably, there is no perfume without alcohol. And the smell of alcohol is more dangerous for mind. Like a smoker is dangerous for the other man, perfume is also passive smell, is also dangerous. Now only slowly they have understood. In US, perfume is banned in one state. Office people cannot wear perfume, alcohol based, if objected by the colleague. That level, but mind you, all that after zero therapy telling no to perfume, not before that. Only 2010 only that case came, and we are here 2004. Without name, this theory started in 2000, around 2002. I don't know when the name, but theory, slowly the whole world is trying to follow slowly. Perfume means alcohol, and if I apply alcohol, you smell, and it is dangerous for you also as a smoker. Nobody before 2008 realized this is dangerous. So only we don't want people to use, because the software is getting corrupted by alcohol. You cannot say, if you update, okay, perfume is allowed. I am not drinking alcohol, but I am applying alcohol. See, this update, no? But here in zero therapy, no left, no right. It's straight truth, no substitute. No substitute here. Okay. So, why I am telling? Truth, you just go deep. Think from the mind, you will know what is right or wrong. अगर किसी को नहीं समझ में आया ना, हाथ उठा देना, so that I can transfer to Hindi myself. क्यों? कि अब थोड़ा will have to convert into English, so that at least by chance you can also improve. Health तो गया, अभी ये mind भी improve हो जाएगा, language भी. By listening in English, your language also may improve. It is bound to improve. And language is not important at all. The expression, that makes you. We don't say we are Tirthankar, but here Tirthankar also, when they used to lecture only one language, but Janvar, everybody used to understand. Because it is the bhavana that is more important. Here also we say bhavana is important, language is not important. Because I have seen sometimes when I speak wrongly, also the public understand rightly. It happened. That's why the 21st July, I said something wrong, that DVD stopped, and nobody knew, and nobody told except my wife and one more fellow Calcutta. Ye galti hai nara bhai. And here, because bhavana is so good, nobody bothers with galti jalti. The flow and the energy, and they accept the right, even though I told wrong. See kitna power hai. इसलिए 21 तारीख का रुकवा दिया आपने. Listening with thoughts. It is not the language that is what is important. Thoughts इतना powerful है, अपना इतने तो powerful है कि you receive the right thing only, even if I say by default wrong. You have to train your mind. Mind, if you are able to train nearest to the truth, nobody can be 100% truthful. Because without our knowledge, we can commit a mistake. Without our knowledge. With knowledge, it's different. Just train all the time. Your mind को train करने की कोशिश करते रहो. You just watch And that happens only when you think of the reaction after your action. Action does not mean physical action. Action means thought also. So once you think, then you just think, ये right किया, ये wrong था, whether I was right, whether I was wrong, is it correct on my part to do like this? Again I have to repeat. Somebody wanted my phone number from Rajesh. And he, because house we are not supposed to give, nobody should give my number, right? And he did not give. But after that he came to me, whether I was right in not giving the number or I was wrong. Actually he said, मुझे number नहीं मालूम, right? Number पूछा and he said, I don't know the number, but he knew the number. So immediately he thought, अरे यार ये तो गलती हो गया ना. See, this is what you have to think. Then he came to me. I did not give number even if I knew whether it's right or wrong. He wanted to help me. So, लेकिन माइंड ने बोला कि ये गलती है, इतना होना चाहिए. मेरे पास आया, मैंने बोला yes गलती है. You say Vipin has told very clearly not to telephone, so I am not giving. That would have been better. Then same thing he asked Uttam. Same fellow. Uttam said no use. He never said I don't know. He said there is no useful purpose will result by telephoning. See, that's how, without, make it very clearly, सामने वाले को, without cheating, without bluffing, without, and every time you think. राजेश जितना सोचता है ना, कोई नहीं सोचता होगा, कोई नहीं सोचता. इतना उसका लेवल बढ़ गया ना, इतना लेवल बढ़ गया कि अगर फूल भी सूंघ लिया उसने तो उसको लगा कि पाप नहीं हो गया. See, just smell the flower and he thought whether it's right or wrong because the flower did not belong to him. And it was kept on my table. And by nature, anybody will smell. Then he asked me whether right or wrong. As every time, you know, when you do this action, every time worldly action, you just think all the time, every second, whether this is right, whether it is truth, whether I'm trying to, you know, bluff, whether I'm trying to help somebody else by telling no, yes, all the time you have to do nothing here except talking this subject. In business, okay. When you're in business, you do business. But telling lie, trying to mislead the opposite man, trying to hide things in business also, it is not allowed. There is nothing, business is business doesn't mean you have to be business like. You have to be business principled man. Then only your Atma will grow. Otherwise, your soul will never grow. If your small mistake you do in business, your source of income goes wrong. Simple. And once your source of income goes wrong, your food, what you eat is wrong. The moment you eat wrong food, then you'll have wrong ideas. You watch all the time your source of income, the commitment, the service, not trying to hide things. Very openly you say, my price is like this and my service like this, that, whatever it is. And for the sake of business, never offer anything which is not acceptable in our theory. Offer him a food without onion and garlic. If you want to offer him a food which is acceptable in zero-therapy, because if you don't eat and you are offering him, again is a source of income wrong. His eating is not, you are making the bill, no. See, you are paying the bill. 30 साल पहले एक कोई ऑफिसर बोल लिया मेरे को, उस दिन से तो I left. No, I'm not going to come with you. I want this food. I'm not going to pay. You pay. Clearly बोल दिया. And then I thought, why all that? अभी किसी के साथ मैं जाता ही नहीं हूँ. वो बोले अनियन खाऊंगा, अपने बिल देंगे, अपनों को नहीं अच्छा लगता. See, it's something for business, you are changing your principle. So this much strict hona is not easy, but it is not impossible also, because we are also surviving. We may not become rich, but we become richer in that enlightenment. The law of art of illuminating. Our first subject is art of illuminating. Zero therapy means a new subject now. Art of enlightenment subject है. All over the world enlightenment है. लेकिन art of illuminating, I illuminate, not eliminating, illumination means what? What is the difference? What is the difference? Enlightenment means you are able to reach and you are away from the world and you really have gyan and you may have various types of gyan, even future you can predict, enlightenment. But that is only for you. Art of illuminating means Zero therapy, not only I get enlightened, I make you enlightened, that is illuminating. When the light burns, the light is giving you light. So we have now new subject, art of illuminating means I am enlightened. By the way, you also come in that light and you see the light and you are also getting illuminated without extra work. वर्ल्ड में ये कहीं भी नहीं है. वर्ल्ड में वी जस्ट गॉट द आइडिया. हाउ वी गॉट द आइडिया? बस सोचते सोचते आइडिया आता है. इट्स अ वेरी वंडरफुल थिंग. In the process, I am making you also come together. No, I am also uplifting your soul. No, I means I don't say Vipinjan. Whole put together. Art of illuminating, enlightenment for the group. Enlightenment for, because everybody's thought is same, everybody's food is same, everybody's source of income is same. Source of income same means not doing any wrong, not dealing the same item. That doesn't mean the principle. This we have to spread. What is zero therapy? Art of illuminating. Why you are doing it? Because here in zero therapy, knowledge is not to be sold, it is to be shared. All this you have to really understand. In zero therapy, knowledge is to be shared, not sold. We never sell any book, we never charge anywhere. We want to give free. Shortly the whole spiritual food book will come in Amazon free. कोई भी खोलो देखो, इतना वर्ल्ड में फ्री. उसको भी लगेगा डाउट कि व्हाट दीज इडियट्स आर डूइंग. यू विल थिंक वी आर ऑल इडियट्स. क्यों हो रहा है? 50% काम हो गया अभी. ऑल फ्री. अगेन दिस बुक, न्यू बुक, अनकॉमन, कॉमन सेंस, वॉट एवर, दैट विल बी अगेन फ्री. सो यू विल बी कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू द वेलफेयर of the world by sharing your thoughts. खाली तुम मेरे को thought देने से you are doing a wonderful job for the whole world. Whole world will read, available free. The heading is knowledge to be shared, not sold. Superb. And how does it come? Because your Atma is getting enlightened or whatever it is. कितना वंडरफुल सब्जेक्ट है. एंड वी आर गिविंग फ्री टू द वर्ल्ड. एंड सम पीपल स्टिल, इंडिया इज नॉट एबल टू टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस साइंस. इंडिया इज नॉट एबल टू टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस साइंस. वो कितना बड़ा बैड लक है. वो आवर कंट्री, नॉट अवर बैड लक. इट इज द कंट्रीज बैड लक. दे अवेलेबल फूड एंड नॉट ईटिंग. By the Indian, for the Indian, from the Indian. उनको वो भी नहीं करना है तो भी नहीं लेना ही नहीं है यार. We have sent this book to almost everybody in India. All these ministers, ये सबको गया हुआ है. मेल भी गया हुआ है, नोबडी इज इवन इंटरेस्टेड, लिंक दिया हुआ है, ये सब्जेक्ट ये पेपर में है, ये सब्जेक्ट ये पेपर में, ये सब्जेक्ट टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में, ये सब्जेक्ट हिंदू में, ये सब्जेक्ट, ऐसा सब लिंक दिया हुआ, यू डोंट हैव टू डू, जस्ट क्लिक। सब जीरोथेरेपी.com में जाते हैं, लेकिन किसी ने अपना पेपर का कटिंग नहीं देखा होगा यहाँ पर, आई डोंट थिंक ना। vipinchonmom.com में आई थिंक ऑल दिस पेपर कटिंग इज देयर, इज नॉट देयर इन अवर साइट ना, सब कटिंग नहीं है शायद। सो बेटर व्हेन यू टॉक टू पीपल यू हैव टू नो ना कि भाई इस पेपर में ये सब्जेक्ट लिखा है, इस पेपर में ये क्योर लिखा है, इस पेपर में ये लिखा है। व्हेन यू वांट टू टॉक टू पीपल देन यू हैव टू गो थ्रू दैट। आई डिड नॉट नो ऑल अलोंग, अब मेरे को मालूम पड़ा कि सब उस साइट में है, इसमें नहीं है, बट देयर इज अ लिंक, बट नोबडी वांट्स टू गो, लिखा बट जाना कोई नहीं चाहता कि वही बोलूँगा। यू हैव टू सी बोथ द साइड्स, देन यू कैन गेट बेटर आइडिया। आई थिंक एवरीडे वन एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ शेयर कर सकते हैं ना, दैट ऑल्सो मे बी बेटर नो, वी शेयर एक्सपीरियंस। यूट्यूब में अब आराम से देख सकते हो सब, YouTube जीरोथेरेपी.com Monday sessions, you have to write Monday session, then it comes, otherwise it not come. Anybody would like to share? So it will become audio and video both. Video, this book will be audio, you can read, and this will become video. कोई एक्सपीरियंस है तो वो भी दे देंगे ना अपने, ऑल मंडेज लिख देंगे एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दिस पर्सन, ऐसा इट दिस डिसीज। विल स्टार्ट विद यूनियन बैंक। मैडम योर एक्सपीरियंस अगेन 2-3 minutes, एनी प्रॉब्लम? नो नो, देन यू कम। व्हाट इज जीरोथेरेपी? Whatever it is, your child has become weak, no, our weight has increased, all that you write, but your weight has gone down, no? Tremendous. Why? Over what? No, not eating properly, then you know the question, then the answer is automatically comes. No, not eating properly is then answer. Yourself said the answer. Then you act, implement, no? क्योंकि वजन reduction of weight is the most dangerous thing in the zero-therapy. Reduction of weight is not acceptable. Otherwise, everything is possible. You may die, allowed. But reduction of weight is not allowed. Yes, because that means he is not a zero-therapy body. You have to be very careful. Weight should never go down. Today weigh, next Monday again you will have to tell after improving the weight. That will be because I said late nights or what? Teaching children? Late nights, yes. The food for the body is not food. The sleep is more important than the food. Sleep. Just one book देखा कल सवेरे, heading, eat, move and sleep. Sleep is the most important factor compared to these two. Bit of exercise, in sense walking, move, eating. Sleep is the most important than the food. And if you no sleep or less sleep, your organs will not work, and after that if you eat, it is not going to be digested. That is the problem.
What am I to say?
No, don't have to say. If you think it is okay, otherwise you won't sit down. No problem. हाँ, अपना कुछ नहीं है। और कोई चाहता है भैया? दादी माँ तो क्या करेंगे? दादी माँ बोलना होता है क्या आपको? भंडारी तेरा बोल दे, चल। Where is the man? Galro can tell. Kyonki now we want to write the book and we want to make it in the form of every Monday small thing now.
This regarding that article what we read about yoga. I was doing at yoga from 98 to 2007. 10 years I had been doing every day yoga with a time limit of 45 minutes. It would be 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. I have to do compulsory this one. So उसमें करते समय इतना स्ट्रेस होता था बॉडी में. Sometime I get neck pain, sometime I get back pain. मतलब एक दिन भी I don't feel कैसे कि मेरे को कि उससे ठीक हुआ, लेकिन दिमाग में एक था कि हाँ ये करने से स्ट्रेच अच्छा रहेगा करके. एंड वेंट टू डॉक्टर बिकॉज ऑफ आई हैड द बैक पेन. उस टाइम में व्हीकल्स के हिसाब से या हो सकता है, तो उसने बोला L4 L5 में आपके गैप कम है तो आप योगा स्टार्ट कर लोगे. सो कंपलसरी 45 मिनट्स. अच्छा, उसमें और एक वो बोला था अगर आइसक्रीम खाते हो आप तो 15 मिनट ज़्यादा करना. एंड फ्रॉम 2007 से मैं बंद कर दिया योगा, लेकिन अभी तक कोई पेन नहीं, कुछ नहीं है मेरे को. थैंक यू.
नहीं, एक इसने प्रॉब्लम बोला, योगा कर रहा था और बोला मेरा दुख रहा है, कर रहा है, ठीक नहीं हुआ. अब उसको रियलाइज हुआ, उस तारीख में रियलाइज नहीं हुआ. सी दिस वन स्मॉल मिस्टेक. ही इज नाउ थिंकिंग कि कुछ नहीं हुआ. ऑन दैट डे ही नेवर थॉट. नाउ ओनली दे आर थिंकिंग कि भाई उस दिन नहीं हुआ. ये सीक्वेंस है ना, आज याद दिला रहा है, उस दिन नहीं आया था. उस दिन अगर मालूम होता तो क्यों करता कंटिन्यूएशन. सी वी फॉरगेट ऑन दैट डे व्हाट हैपेंड बिकॉज वी हैव नॉलेज दे दिया. अब लगता है उस दिन ऐसा हुआ, अच्छा नहीं था, लेकिन उस दिन हमको याद नहीं आया था. दरअसल में वी नेवर रिमेंबर्ड ऑन दैट डे. एवरी डे वॉकिंग, एज यू वॉक, दैट एक्सरसाइज इज गुड इनफ. एज यू डू द वर्क, डे टू डे वर्क, get up for taking the file, that limitation of exercise is good enough every day. And then eating and sleep. You need more of sleep sometimes, more than the food. Switch off. Kitna bhi tension ho, and I tell you, many problems can be solved in sleep also. Many times, you can sleep, immediately you will know. Yes, next day you get the answer. Most of the time, unsolved problems are solved only in the sleep, and next day morning you do that job, automatically the mind says. इसलिए तो भगवान के सबको उनका पहले सपना आ गया ना, वही तो और क्या है, सपना आने के कारण वही है. Anybody else or doubts? Okay, no sharing doubt. बोल. Yes, you want to sleep, sleep will not come. Very right. That is the problem of the whole world. Whole world. But people like us, there is no problem. For me, it's no problem at all. You want to sleep, I just switch off. Switch off. The sleep doesn't come because you are not able to switch off your brain. You just practice. Yes, the sleep is necessary. I'm going to switch off. Tomorrow let's see what may come. I want to sleep. My body wants to sleep. I want to rest. Switch off. Because what your mind says, more than sleep, other points are important. Other things are important. You just think, nothing is important compared to sleep. Just think. Even if I want to keep awake, some guest comes, what I do, I just tell them, khana kha kar aao. By the time ghar mein, down they go and eat. By the time I had slept, I tell you, yesterday, I got up after sleep. Yesterday, I saw the clock, 10:30 p.m. only. और मैं बोला इतना लंबा हो गया क्या यार, 10:30. I got up at 10:30. सोने के बाद 9 बजे से सोया होगा यार, और देखो इतना टाइम हो गया कि देखो 10:30. I had a nice sleep. Within 1.5 hours total एकदम अच्छा हो गया बॉडी. प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ता है ब्रेन को स्विच ऑफ. द ब्लड circulates here. When you think, then you are not able to sleep. When the blood goes down, then one more thing is, if you eat more, you're not able to digest, then also you can get sleep. See, this is one new formula. When the body is not able to digest, what happens? The blood circulation comes here to digest and you may sleep. So try that formula. It's a good formula. But you don't eat in the night. So what can I do? वो भी लफड़ा है, नाइट में नहीं खाना, मैं क्या करूँगा? आइडिया मैं दे सकता हूँ, काम तो नहीं करना है ना रे. बहुत बार होता है, खाली पेट भी नींद नहीं आती है. एक्स्ट्रा पेट भर गया तो नींद आने का चांस ब्राइट है. उससे एक्स्ट्रा हो गया तो फिर पेट ट्रबल करेगा, तो भी नहीं आएगा. द यूरिन प्रॉब्लम आता है, यू हैव टू सॉल्व कि भाई पेशाब क्यों आता है, वाई द यूरिन प्रॉब्लम. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्या होता है, गर्मी से यूरिन कम आता है, गैस से यूरिन कम आता है. देन यू हैव टू अवॉइड थिंग्स लाइक विच कैन क्रिएट गैस. कम आता क्यों है? सी वाई दिस हैपनिंग, समथिंग रॉन्ग समवेयर इन फूड हैबिट्स. और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में मिस्टेक रहेगा तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता. पैदा ही रॉन्ग है तो उसका क्या करना. फिर भी रॉन्ग पैदा होने के बाद में भी जीरोथेरेपी कैन मेक इट करेक्टेड. देयर इज नथिंग इम्पॉसिबल इन दिस थेरेपी. बहुत बार पेट खाली होने से, गैस होने से क्या होता है, यू नो पाइपलाइन टैप होता है, टैप कभी एयर गैप हो गया तो पानी नहीं आता, मालूम है. वही पेशाब का वही सब्जेक्ट है. बस गैस भर गया, पेशाब नहीं आएगा. अर्ली मॉर्निंग स्लीप नहीं, बट गाय एंड एवरीबडी जनरली गेट अप एट 4:30. जनरली चिड़िया विड़िया सबकी आवाज़ 4:30 आती है ना, तो वो प्रॉब्ली समथिंग रॉन्ग विथ अस. Because I get up at 5:40 every day. 5:40, 5 o'clock. तो ये कोई सिस्टम नहीं है. मे बी नाइट यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्लीप प्रॉपरली एंड देन यू दैट टाइम और यू गोइंग लेट. जनरली इफ यू स्लीप प्रॉपरली 4:30 is the very right time to get up automatically. या 5 o'clock, 5:30 बस. Before sun rises, you have to get up from the bed. That is the science. You have to get up from the bed before sunrise. Otherwise, you are worse than the animals. Really worse than the animals, because animals do get up at 4 o'clock, 4:30. So we are worse than them now. They are able to see the sunlight and we are not able to see the sunlight.
I've got one sharing.
Yeah, share karo.
Sharing about my sleep.
Yeah.
I am able to sleep anytime, anywhere.
Kitna jade?
When I used to travel from college, Vaishnav College,
He can even sleep and drive, you know that?
Yes. 8 o'clock college used to start. 1 o'clock college was over. To reach from Arumbakam to Mint in the bus every day I used to sleep, and that conductor used to hit me. Thambi nee enna padikira nee enakku therilla. Now last month, not last month, 15 days back, I got up ready for going to office. It was 9:30. It was raining outside little. So my wife told, tiffin pack karna hai, मूंगफली नहीं है, चटनी बनानी है. So I went down. It was raining. I put on a raincoat, bought मूंगफली, gave it to her, came up and gave it to her, sitting on the sofa with the raincoat on. I have to go to office. My wife prepared the tiffin and kept it on the table. I am sitting in the sofa with the raincoat. Then my wife was telling me, आप ऐसे जाएंगे तो दुकान में जाके क्या काम करेंगे? It is all our mind, how you are able to let go.
It is really, no, that's a very good question. It's very bad. It's bad for whom? For the opposite man. For himself there is no bad. Opposite man सोचता है क्या है यार, और कोई अच्छा जेंटलमैन आएगा तो पैसा भी नहीं मांगेगा, और भी अच्छा है, नींद आ रही डिस्टर्ब मत करो. Point is, night you switch off. Daytime, if you can, okay, and above 45, 50, daytime sleep also is essential. It is essential. 10 minutes nap बहुत जरूरी है. अब आप उसको ट्राई करो. या एक स्विच ले लें, यहाँ पर से कनेक्शन ले लें. That problem with you is that sleep. वाइफ तो डिस्टर्ब नहीं करती है ना तेरे को, कुछ नहीं, सो जा बोलते हैं. तो उसको बोल गाना, वो बच्चों को सुलाने गाना गाते हैं ना, होगा, सो जाएगा. Put a music. Music also sometimes, you know, instrumental music, या कोई या भजन वजन है, तेरे लिए भजन लगा ले, एंड यू में सुनते सुनते नींद आ जाएगी. बेस्ट थिंग इज वो ऐसा कर, भजन लगा ले और सुनते सुनते मोस्ट लाइकली नींद आने का चांस बहुत ब्राइट. Sometimes reading, but in this case it is not, because whole day is reading. For him, you don't give answer, you can share. Then it will become argument, then discussion. Doubt है बच्चा और कोई? Yeah, half a minute. Aryan, yes, come. साइट देखे बिना आने से बहुत गड़बड़ है. साइट देख करके एक रिफ्रेश हो जाता है, वापस अपने को रिपीटिशन हो जाता है.
अंकल जैसे सोर्स ऑफ इनकम का आपने बताया था ना अंकल कि राइट होना चाहिए. जैसे कोई जॉब करता है तो उसका कैसे, जैसे अब टैक्स एवेड करते हैं, गवर्नमेंट को टैक्स पे नहीं करते.
देख रहे हैं आज के ज़माने में भी गवर्नमेंट को टैक्स नहीं, टैक्स के मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकता. पब्लिक है, अलग आएगा तो बोल सकता हूँ. क्यों कि दिस बिजनेस कम्युनिटी, यहाँ टैक्स अवॉइड, टैक्स प्लानिंग इज फाइन, टैक्स प्लानिंग इज अलाउड. Then you plan, my idea, you plan your taxation, right? But purposely avoiding, that may not be, but the present day circumstances India का है कि you cannot, shopping में तो possible ही नहीं है. Shop है, material है तो possible ही नहीं है. So that point you forget. Only thing is, when you sell the product, taxation point you forget. When you sell the product, don't mislead the gentleman, give the right material, don't give him the wrong material, weight, length you give correct, up to that source of income, fine. समझे ना? ये taxation का problem बाद में छोड़ो, ठीक है? And when you are doing service, you are paid for number of hours or the work. Either during that period you be sincere. Don't try to while away, don't try to waste. Most of the time, Western country, their source of income is very correct because they are paid for the time they work. After that, वो कुछ भी करता है. यहाँ पर working hours में they take away the time, gossip, your personal work you will do, or the office paper you will take for your business, print out वहाँ ले लेगा. All that is wrong source of income. समझे ना? Next Monday.